Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch LG LED TV. Here in this TV, the fault is backlight related issue. While checking, here we found that all LED backlights are working properly. See friends, in the LED checker you can see all backlights are working. Here actually the fault is related with these sockets and wiring. See friends, now we put the multimeter in buzzer mode. See friends, here I am touching on this wire. See, sometimes it will shows the continuity. So here I am going to bypass a jumper wire from both LED strip. See friends, here we bypassed a jumper wire to both LED strip. So here you can see the result. Now the TV is turned on. Now the backlights will properly work. Now we can put the panel diffuser sheet back to TV. See friends, finally here we connected all sockets and panel. Now here you can see the final result. Now the display is correct and the backlights are working properly. So here actually the fault is with this LED wiring. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.